First, you're gonna wanna take your rubber from a 12 to 15 ski, and you're gonna cut a valley in these two slots here. I'll show you that once I'm done, but what that's for is to sit in this valley here in the middle of the ski. I did one already here, you can see it. Now that you've got your valley cut down those two portions, you're going to want to decide whether you want the ski to be narrower, which will be putting the nubs on the inside, or whether you want the ski to be a little wider by putting the nubs on the outside. To make the grippers work on the 16 plus sleds with the wishbone spindles, you're going to need to get the sleeve off of a 12 to 15. You'll need one for each side, and you'll need one spacer. You can take that from your stock skis, or you can just order another one. I'll put parts numbers for the sleeve and the rubber down in the description below.